Dang it. Hi, Bob Knote coming to you from Camp Chaos this morning to fill you in on a rather significant change that we're going to be making to our content release schedule. Now, as you know, what we've done over the past several months is to release a video every Friday to YouTube. And those of you that see them on Facebook probably don't see them till Sunday, but once a week has been the norm. And Tyler, our video guy, is responsible for shooting, editing, and doing all the processing of those videos. And he does a really good job. I live this stuff, and I myself can't wait to see the next video. The problem is it takes a lot less time to shoot a video than it does to edit it and process it. So what we've got is just a ton of content that we need to work through, and we're going to try to ramp up the rate at which we do that. But it also occurred to me that we do a lot of things around here on a day-to-day basis that you might find interesting. So what we're going to do when we come upon a situation like that is we're going to, Bill and I, set up a camera and do a quick 5-10 minute one-take video, put an intro and an outro on it, and put it out there in YouTube. So what we're going to be doing basically is doubling our output over the course of the next several months. So we should be able to produce between 30 and 40 videos by the end of this year. Now you're going to notice a fairly significant difference in quality because Tyler's an artist. He takes something that I think is going to be kind of a dog episode and he makes it interesting. He's really good at that. Tuesday isn't going to be like that. I'm the guy that's going to be doing the editing. It's going to be kind of rough and ready, just the facts, ma'am kind of video. But I think you're going to find it interesting. Like I'm getting into upholstery repair right now. Never done it before, but I think you might find it interesting. So it shouldn't be a whole lot more work around here. You know, it's just another layer to the chaos, but it's kind of what we do. So let the chaos begin.